guys, this is Rachel. I just wanted to come on and do a quick voiceover, and then the rest of this video will be set to music per usual. If you have not already checked out Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures, all of the information that you need for her shop, for her YouTube channels, her social media, everything will be listed down in the description box below, as well as all the links to my fellow design team members. And I am going really simple with this card kit, specifically to show you how simple can be absolutely fantastic. But I felt it was also the best way to showcase the gorgeous papers in this collection, as well as all of the supplies that you get in it. So again, I am specifically going simple because card making doesn't have to be complex, as well as using that to showcase the absolute gorgeous collection that she has coming out on September 1st. So I encourage you, again, if you haven't, feel free to stop this video, go check out her website. It is www.shinysilvertreasures.com, and go take a peek at all the stuff that is currently available on her website. And again, this collection will be available as of September 1st. So I am going to leave you here, but as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out. It is always so much fun hanging out. I know I say that all the time. I may sound redundant, but it still remains to be true. So take care, stay safe, enjoy the rest of this video, and enjoy this preview of the new garden treasures coming out on September 1st. And on that note, I will see you in the next video.